Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a small but incredibly impactful accessory for anyone dealing with audio setups. The Mollensiuer 30 PCS plastic microphone stand cable clips. These aren't just any clips. They're designed to bring order and safety to what can often be a chaotic mess of wires around your microphone stands, keyboard stands, or any pole-mounted equipment. Imagine a studio or stage where cables are neatly tucked away, no longer posing a tripping hazard or an eyesore. That's precisely the promise these clips deliver. Crafted from robust ABS plastic, these clips boast impressive strength and durability. The material ensures that the bending point, a common weak spot in lesser clips, is not easily broken, promising a long lifespan even with frequent use and adjustments. Users can expect these clips to remain functional and reliable for a considerable period, making them a smart investment for any setup. In terms of size, each clip measures 28 in length with an inner width of 15, perfectly accommodating standard 15 wires. They are designed to securely hold onto a 5/8-inch pole section, which covers most common microphone stands and similar equipment. This precise sizing ensures a snug fit, preventing cables from slipping or dangling. The primary function of these Mollensiuer clips is to quickly organize multiple microphone cables, attaching them firmly to the microphone rod. This keeps wires securely in place, ensuring that microphone cables always remain in order. The benefit extends beyond mere aesthetics. By preventing loose cables, these clips significantly reduce the risk of people tripping and falling, a crucial safety consideration in any busy environment. Ease of use is a standout feature. To install, one simply needs to connect the microphone cable to the pole, and then use the cable clip to secure them together. The process is intuitive and requires no special tools. When it's time to pack up or reconfigure, removing the clips is just as simple. They snap off the mic stand pole with minimal effort. This tool-free operation makes them incredibly convenient for quick setups and teardowns. These versatile clips find their utility in a wide array of settings. They are often employed in large recording studio microphone stands and keyboard stands, where professional cable management is paramount. Beyond professional environments, they are equally suitable for home studios, concert halls, musical instrument stores, classrooms, and any space where audio equipment is used and cable organization is desired. Their universal black color ensures they blend seamlessly with most equipment, maintaining a clean and professional appearance. Weighing a mere 0.01 pounds, these clips add virtually no bulk or weight to your setup, making them an unobtrusive yet highly effective solution for cable management.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.